Hi, my name is Andrew here at Handy Downtown, and today we've got this 2017 Suburban Premier. This thing is loaded to the roof. Come on in and take a look. We see we can start off with some beautiful wood trim designs throughout the interior with the dual climate control, dual heated and cooled seats. You can see some charging right there. And this SUV has the Bose speakers, which we can see right here. Super high quality sound, you won't be disappointed. Coming over here to the back seat, you can see we've got that bench that does slide forward for access to the third row. And back here we've also got some heated seats, charging, air control for the rear passenger. Again, we can see that wood trim gets carried on into the back here. And the best part about this truck is you've got the side steps for easy access. Maybe you got some little ones or whatever, some easy access for them. Right here we can see that we've got some great Wrangler Duratrax on it. Very popular tire, very aggressive tire, take you anywhere you want to go. As we had said, this is the Premier model right here. We take a look in the back here, we can see that we've got electric controls to fold down the seats, along with a 12-volt charger. Take a look back here. We have a remote to the TV screens along with some headphones. Keep those youngins entertained, or the adults too, you never know. And then we'll move along to the other side. We do have the push button close right here. Get a little closer look at these tires. See that there's plenty of tread there. Great tires. Here's the driver's side of the rear seat. Again, you can see that beautiful bench seat. Lots of spacious area. All kinds of different storage throughout the door panels and throughout the whole vehicle. We've got the built-in blind spot monitor and the blinker on the mirror with some chrome mirror caps. Make for a little extra style. And in the front here, we have the trailer brake controller, adjustable foot pedals, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors. We've got the memory seat controls, so you can adjust that. You know, you got driver 1, driver 2, can put the seat exactly where it needs to go. And then, of course, everybody loves the column shifter that these rigs have. We've got electrical, telescopic, and tilt steering wheel. And this car really has it all, this truck here. So if you have any further questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and give me a call. My number is 802-528-2242. I look forward to working with you.